right, Greg here, Underground Graphics. Today I want to go over colors. This is one of the biggest issues we have with the site is people don't know what colors are available, what colors we have. We don't have a color selection chart on the site, typically for one big reason, is that what you see on the screen is not going to be what you get. So obviously we have red, we have blue, we have black, we have all these colors, and also the different types of colors, the different types of vinyls. It's all going to make a big difference as to what kind of sticker you're getting, what you're ordering, where it's going to go. So I'm going to try to give you a brief rundown of this. What I've got behind me is basically what we have in stock, usually all the time. These are our most popular colors, and what's up here on the easels or up here against these benches. These are our wrap colors that, again, that we typically keep in stock. You know, obviously we'll get an order for some vinyl for a wrap. We're going to have a little bit extra. We do keep that. But again, these are our wrap colors. Car wrap material, cast film, very conformable. This is what we use for your vehicle kits, for the Jeeps, for the Broncos, for the T-Rex, everything that we've got on our vehicle catalog. This is what we're going to use. We do that because it's easy to install. It's incredible vinyl. It's got a good life on it. You know, you're going to shop around. You're going to see different types of prices, different types of films. This is why we encourage you to call and find out exactly what they're using. What I've got here are our samples of our swatch picks of, again, these are going to go from calendared to cast. And again, if it's a calendared film, it doesn't mean it's a bad film. It's a great film, but it's typically an indoor short-term type of vinyl. We use these films here, the Oracal 651 or the Avery calendared films, for like our Instagram stickers, maybe some Jeep names, something that's going to be small on the glass, something that's not going to be, you know, again, long-term outdoor. They're typically for the less expensive decals. Again, when we get into the vehicle stripes, vehicle graphics, we're going to shift right into that wrap film or even a cast high performance film, which would be like a 951 or a super cast. Again, it's just a much higher level. When you get into those films, again, they're typically wet. Again, we want to stick with the wrap. It's what we do mostly, and it's what's going to be easier for you to get that installed. If we don't have the color you see up here, again, we get this a lot too. You know, what's going to be the match for my vehicle? Any local wrapper, sign shop are going to have what I'm showing you here. This is our 3M wrap swatch book, filled with the latest colors. You know, these are always being updated, but typically you will get a great idea of that color. We have a few of these on hand. Someone comes by, they want to take one out, we let them take it out, bring it back. That way they can go test, they can go check. Again, 3M, Oracal, Avery, those are our top three. There's others that we use and there's some that we don't use. Trying to think anything else we want to go through with this. We'll get this up on YouTube. We'll get some photos up on the site. But we do ask that those are just used as a guide. Please confirm those colors. Some of the more popular ones that we do, again, we do a lot of Jeeps, a lot of Broncos, kind of gotten a little bit in that T-Rex market. People ask what's the best match for the Rubicon Red. There is no perfect match that we found, but what we're using that works the best is the Carmine Red. Again, it's a darker of the gloss reds, seems to work very well. The Mojave, I believe, is our Avery Gloss Orange. Again, darker side. Very strange with the Jeeps is that the trim around the Jeep names are darker than they're using for the tow hooks and they're using for the trim and the other areas of that accent color. But again, these are those go-tos there. Same thing with the 392 and that gold. Is it gold? Is it bronze? We've got a video on that as well. This is our Avery Gold. This is our Oracal Antique Bronze. It's really right in the middle. We've got a video just for that. It kind of goes into detail on which one you want to choose. There really is no wrong answer. If you're going to do bronze wheels, I'm going to tell you to go bronze. If you're going to stick with factory wheels, I'm going to tell you to go gold. With the blacks, we get a lot of questions on what hood graphics going to best match the factory graphics. That goes for the Broncos, it goes for the T-Rex. Same thing, it's best you look at these in person. And again, we're going to always go with that 3M deep matte black or a 3M satin black. I prefer the matte black, that's my personal preference. I believe matte on the hood is there for it to function as well for that non-glare. If you go with that satin black, it's gonna be a little bit darker, but you're gonna get a little bit of that sheen on that. This one here is a matte black Eco. That's actually a calendared film, so it really shouldn't be in the wrap colors. However, it is air release, so it's fantastic to install. However, it does not have the same warranty as our standard wrap films. Obviously, you buy this, you go out and get this installed, you do whatever. Most of that stuff's not gonna be in there anyway as far as the warranty goes, but 3M and these big name manufacturers do stand behind their products. That's why I use these names. But that matte black Eco is really the closest match to those factory graphics. Again, I just don't prefer that for long-term outdoor on that vehicle. Guys, I know this is a lot to take in. We'll take another span down these colors, let you take a close, long look at it. But if you have any questions at all, give us a call, give us an email. Additionally, we have color samples to send out. So if you have a couple that you're trying to decide between, just give us a call. Everything you see up here, we've got swatches of. We can drop it in an envelope and get it out to you. Thanks a lot. Again, have any questions, just reach out, and thank you, and subscribe and like.